let's do the dang thing, okay? Hello, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my channel where I post beauty and art related content. If you are into weekly videos randomly distributed for your viewing pleasure, then maybe consider subscribing and maybe liking or commenting because it helps me out a lot and I really love having you here. Today, I just felt like playing around and having fun, so I decided it's time for another palette bingo. Woohoo! Today I am using my Weekend Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. It has 20 shades with a mix of mattes, shimmers, neutrals, and colors. This is what it looks like. I will be picking 5 shades randomly from this palette to use for an eye look. The 2 creators who really got me into palette bingo are Annette's Makeup Corner and Butte Bean. And if you have not checked them out, I really recommend it. They have super colorful, fun makeup looks all the time. They have created just like so much content with so many different looks. I have no idea how they do it. They're amazing. All right, let's find out what shades I'm going to be using. All right, I'm using the 16th shade in the palette, which is this blue. Next one is shade 20. Okay, that's this brown shade right here. Next one is shade 14. 10. Ooh, yes, I was hoping to get this shade. It's this really, really shimmery pink shade right here. Next one is 15. This pretty bubblegum pink shade. One more. 14. I just got that. I need to do another number. 8. Oh, cool. Last one I got is this shade right here. It's this purpley shimmer. I think it has a little bit of a shift to it too, kind of a pink shift. Nice, this is cool. I really lucked out that I got analogous colors and like a matte brown. I was pretty nervous to use this palette because it's pretty diverse and I did not know if I would get something that I could make work. But this is the color story that I ended up with, which is very, very pretty. I'm going to take a few moments off camera and decide what I'm going to do with it, and then I will be back and show you what I'm creating. All right, y'all. I decided what I'm going to do. I'm putting a big old fat wing on my eye. And to do that, I am using this pink shade to map it out and to create the base. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with the shimmer shades that I pulled. And I'm going to do like an ombre look with that. So I'm going to take this pink shimmer shade in the inner corner. And then I will be putting this purple shade on the middle of the lid. And then I will wing it out with the blue. I'm most likely going to kind of be a cheater McCheater pants and use the brown shade for freckles. But it's my channel and I get to do what I want, so it is what it is. Let's do it. I am almost done with the look. Obviously, I completed both eyes. I did my lashes. I put on a teensy itty bitty little half lash just to give a teensy bit more dramaticism? Drama. I don't know what word I'm going for. I've not used the brown color yet because I'm going to use it for freckles. And I'm going to do my lips and stuff. I did my brows. I put, what's it called? Bubble Brow by Flower Beauty. And I really like that product. I think it got discontinued though. Wah, wah, wah. And I threw on the half lashes. Okay. So now all I have left to do is the freckles and my lips. So I'm going to put some freckles on with that brown shade that was part of my palette bingo. I'm happy with the skin, the eyes, it's all good. I am going to put on this pink gumball lipstick from MAC to tie my eyes in with my lips. Works for me. That's it. I'm calling it a done deal. So here is the final look. This is one big brain fart of a video, but I honestly like the way the look turned out. The look turned out really fun and cool. So at least that part of my brain was working. The whole speaking part didn't really go my way today, but it's whatever. So can't wait to see you on the next one. Thank you for sticking around for the entirety of this video, and I'll see you soon, my dudes. Bye-bye. Why is describing things the hardest? I did that thing again. Oh, I have a 27-minute limit. I need to start deleting footage again. I'm just realizing I chose the exact same eye shape last time I did a palette bingo. And here I was thinking I was like doing something unique. That's hilarious. I need to use some water to pump up the shade, pump up the jams of the shade on my lid. So I'm gonna get some. I wanted to talk about my comment about being a sleuth because it's very important to me. Anywho, I'm a huge fan of Grace and Frankie, and if you watch that show, then you know what I'm talking about, but Frankie says that she's an amateur sleuth and it's the best. So there was no point to telling you that other than I wanted to connect with fellow Grace and Frankie fans. And look at what my brother got for me. Isn't that amazing? So, that was so unrelated. I missed my pimple. I should be wearing my glasses, honestly.